बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बि यस्सिर व ला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर। सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। Assalamu alaikum students. We are here to start our new topic, that is introduction of atomic structure, that is from unit 2 term 1. Sometime people thought atoms were the smallest particle and could not be broken into the small anything. Means small atom is the smallest particle that can neither broken down into the simpler one. But after the study, scientists know that atoms are actually made from even a smaller particles. How many particles are there? There are the three types of particles, that are proton, neutron, and electron. Proton having the positive charge, neutron having the neutral charge, and electron having negative charge. How are these particles arranged inside the atom? Means first question raised in our mind, that how these particles are arranged in the particular atom. Proton, neutron, and electrons are not evenly distributed in an atom. Proton and neutron exist in the dense core at the center of the atom, that is called nucleus. Means in the central part of the atom we have proton and neutron. Means the number of protons and the neutrons we can find from the nucleus. And the electrons, here we can see that the circular shape orbits around the nucleus, that are called shells. The electrons are spread out around the edges of the atom. They orbit the nucleus in layers called shells. Here we have a dots, means that are the electrons that are revolving in the shells. Next we have mass and electric charge. There are two properties of protons, neutron, and electron that are especially important. What is the mass and what is the electric charge? The mass of a proton is +1, and mass of and the charge of proton is +1. As I mentioned that proton having positive charge. Then we talk about neutron. Neutron having mass 1 and no charge, means neutral. And the mass of electron, that is almost 0 and having charge -1. The atom of an element contain equal number of proton and electrons, so have a no overall charge. If any question becomes that why the atom is a whole neutral, we can say that the number of positive and negative charges present in the nucleus are same, so they can cancel out each other and we get the zero charge. That's why the atom have overall zero charge. Next we have the atom of any particle element always contain the same number of proton. As we know that the number of proton and neutron are, proton and electron are same. For example, hydrogen atom always contain one proton and one electron. Carbon atom always contains 6 proton, 6 electron. Magnesium atoms always contain 12 proton and 12 electrons. The number of proton in an atom is known as atomic number or proton number. Here we have a symbol of carbon 12 and 6. The lower value we can say that is the atomic number, and the upper value we can say 12, the number of proton plus neutron present in the nucleus, that is called atomic weight. Electrons are not evenly spread but exist in the layer are called shell. The shell can also be called the energy levels. The arrangement of electron in these shells is often called the electronic configuration. Means how we can distribute the electrons around the shell, that is called its electronic configuration. We have example, that is first shell, second shell, and the third shell. The shell close to the nucleus, that is first, then second, then third. Note that this diagram is not drawn to the scale. The atom is mostly empty space. If the electron or the size are shown, the nucleus would be too small to see. Each shell has maximum number of electrons that it can hold. Electron will fill shell nearest to the nucleus first. Means every shell contain a specific contains specific amount of electrons, and those shells which are close to the nucleus are filled always first as compared to the far one. First shell hold a maximum 2 electrons, second shell hold maximum 8 electrons, and third shell hold maximum 8 electrons. The electronic arrangement we can write 288. Element are made up of one type of atom, but they can be slightly different from the other atom in an element. Although atom of a same element always have same number of proton, but they number different number of neutron. Means same atomic number but different mass number. These are called isotopes. Carbon having two isotopes, we can see C12 and C6, C13 and C6. And the left one we have 6 neutron, and the other one we have 7 neutron. Mostly naturally occurring carbon exists in the carbon 12. About 1% is carbon 13, and much smaller amount is carbon 14. That are the isotopes of carbon: carbon 12 6, C13 6, and C14 6. Next we have isotopes of hydrogen. There are three isotopes of hydrogen: H11, H21, H31. Hydrogen, deuterium, and tritium. Deuterium means heavy hydrogen and tritium is isotopes hydrogen, and hydrogen is the normal one. About 75% of naturally occurring chlorine is chlorine 35, and 25% is chlorine 37. There are two isotopes of chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Here we can say that the 18 neutrons, and here we have 20 neutrons, because when we minus 17 from 37, we can get 20, and the first one we can get 18. Almost all naturally occurring oxygen is oxygen 16, but 0.2% of oxygen is 18. There are two isotopes of oxygen. Here we can see oxy 16O8 and 18O8. I hope this concept will be clear to you all. Thank you.